Hello everyone and welcome back to VLADA'S place. We grow a lots of lemons on our property, and it happens so that lemons ripen right in the springtime. So most of you know how good lemons are for cleansing our body, but some of you might also know that parsley is also a great detoxifying agent. And so today we're going to create a great salad that is a wonderful addition to your spring cleansing regimen. In addition to lots of parsley, we are also using some fresh mint lemon juice, about half a cup of a green called bulgur, some tomatoes and cucumbers.
The ingredient is curly parsley, about 8, and they're finally clean, finely chopped. Green onions, cucumber, that's what I like to do. Tomatoes, and this is a grain called bulgur, and fresh green mint, lemon juice, lemons and lettuce to garnish, and olive oil and salt. So I say for every, it's supposed to be more of a green, but for every pouch you do, I say you'll do 1 tomato, but I like tomatoes in my salad.
Next is 1 finely chopped cucumber, about 2 cups of sliced green onions, and half a cup of freshly chopped mint. To add a little more texture to the salad, we are adding half a cup of pre-soaked grain called bulgur. It's actually a bulgur wheat. Now let's add that vitamin C. So here we have about 4 to 5 lemons, and we're going to add about a cup or a little bit more of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper for taste, and then we're going to combine all these ingredients together. Now we want to bring all these ingredients into the olive oil and lemon. So this is also a good time to try the salad and see if it's to your taste, and also decide if you want to add a little bit more tomatoes or a little bit more of a fresh mint. But the bottom line is bring all these ingredients together, because we want to distribute the salt and the lemon juice and the olive oil and parsley and all the other ingredients. Once done, decorate it as you like, and as you can see, our chef here is decorating it with the romaine lettuce, and pretty soon you're going to find out why. Beautifully done and so good for you. This is a great and delicious way to start a new year. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If you like this video, please send us your thumbs up, because when you do, this video will be shared with other people so that we can spread healthy recipes like this with others. Also, if you have a moment, check out our charitable work under VLADA'S and our mission to help reconnect families and communities in America. Part of our charitable work is also producing a quality family program called Cooking and Kids, which you can find on your public access television stations. Thank you once again, and we'll see you soon.